start talking.
What? I did not agree to this.
What was your idea?
I just said a food tasting video. You're the one that talks. I'm the one that eats.
Okay. We have from K. Rogers. That's a Kroger for you folks that don't live in Ohio. Whatever this is. Mochi Ice Cream Chocolate Sundae. Is yours the same?
Mine's chocolate.
Okay.
Just chocolate.
Yep.
That feels so weird. Ew, it feels like Play-Doh.
And you're supposed to eat it.
Oh, that's powder, not powdered sugar. Crunchy.
So it's like a donut thing with the ice cream inside. That's really good.
I don't like how the outside's squishy.
I have strawberry.
But just like most things in life, it's gone too fast. Is the strawberry one good?
Here.
Here what?
It's sticking to my fingers.
You don't want it? You don't want it?
No. It's definitely, I thought it would be more like a donut, not like stretchy and sticky. It feels like I'm eating rubber.
It's a dumpling type
I
dough.
know, but how do I?
Well, mine was better.
Strawberry was good.
Alright, so I'm going to give it 2 thumbs. You? One?
I just showed up my hand where I.
Earthquake.
Take your warnings.
Alright, that's it. Bye.